Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what documents you need to provide for an Equifax dispute. When you're disputing an error on your Equifax credit report, you'll need to provide documentation to support your claim. This is a crucial step to ensure your dispute is processed correctly. First, you'll need to verify your identity and address. This helps Equifax confirm who you are and that they are dealing with the correct person. For proof of identity, you can provide a copy of a government-issued ID like a driver's license, passport, or state ID card. For proof of address, a copy of a utility bill, bank statement, or a mortgage statement will work. Make sure the documents you provide are clear, legible, and show your current information. Next, you need documents that directly relate to the inaccurate item you're disputing. This is the evidence that proves your side of the story. For example, if you're disputing a late payment, you should provide copies of canceled checks or bank statements that show you made the payment on time. If a paid account is still showing as open or unpaid, provide a letter from the creditor or a statement showing a zero balance. If you are a victim of identity theft, you'll need to include a copy of a police report or an official identity theft report from the Federal Trade Commission. Remember to never send original documents. Always make clear copies and keep the originals for your records. The more detailed and clear your supporting documentation is, the smoother the dispute process will be. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.